Hi, it's Chris Ross with Chasm. I just want to show you how to quickly edit and delete some of the areas that are on the map. And here we have our new area that we're going to edit. If you go up to the admin panel and you hit this edit and delete area, scroll down to the bottom, you can see the area is right here. This is the one we want to edit. So we're going to hit this edit button. Here we can change the name if we want to. We can change the type and we can change the color. And most importantly, if we hit the edit coordinates button, we can edit the corners of this. So let's say we don't want both of these racks here. We can move this over here, this over here. And let's give this some depth. So 500 centimeters, that looks good. Once we have everything the way we want it, we can save and all this looks good. So we're gonna do one final save and it's gonna go off to the database. And there's our new area that we've edited. If we don't want this, we decided that we don't actually need this after all, we can just go and hit this trash can button right here. And we'll get this notification just to be sure and delete. And it's gone. So there you have it. If you want to edit and delete, that's how you do it. For more on all this, please visit locera.io.